Welcome to EJH Automotive in Buxted, East Sussex. Here we have a 2011 61 plate Ford Fiesta Titanium. This vehicle was registered in December 2011 and being the titanium specification is a top of the range vehicle. It has 47,000 miles on the clock and benefits from a full service history and being in great condition. As part of our process, we carry out a thorough inspection. It has had a new MOT applied to the vehicle, has had a full service, that's the air, oil and pollen filter, and we've also replaced the Cambelt and Waterpump as part of our processes. It's a lovely specification, as you'll see, with the power fold mirrors there. Inside we have the automatic lights and wipers, the cruise control, and over here we have the upgraded Sony stereo with the DAB digital radio USB connections, alongside the climate control as well, which is standard above the air conditioning. In the back we have the privacy glass, so the darker tinted from the B pillar backwards, and the usual Ford Fiesta sort of space and equipment. We do also have the parcel shelf there. Thank you ever so much for watching our video, and we hope to speak to you very soon.